True strength is never born from slogans. It comes from real manufacturing. No shortcuts, only fire and steel. This is Beilite, a company built around its own factory and its own belief. From the first spark of raw material processing to the final impact of finished assembly, every step happens inside our own production facilities. We don't just assemble parts, we control the entire process, from metallurgy to precision machining. At Beilite, we don't just build hydraulic breakers, we build quality itself. Precision defines every impact. Every component is machined and tested to the smallest tolerance. Because on the job site, stability is not a feature, it is a lifeline. Real competitiveness lives in the details you cannot see. Continuous R&D drives every breakthrough, making each impact more precise and more efficient. For over a decade, Beilite has focused on hydraulic breaker technology. From heat treatment processes and high-strength alloy steels to wear-resistant materials and energy systems. We don't follow standards, we define them. From Arctic mines to humid tunnels, from urban demolition to open rock breaking, Beilite performs consistently under extreme conditions. High efficiency, low failure rate, continuous operation. These are not claims in a brochure. They are facts proven on job sites around the world. As we expand globally, we bring more than products. We bring trust, certified and verified. CE, ISO, and multiple invention patents, each one backed by destructive testing and third-party validation. Today, Beilite products operate across 5 continents, serving customers in more than 60 countries and regions. More and more partners choose Beilite not because of what we say, but because of what they have seen. Real factory strength speaks for itself. True quality comes from true manufacturing. Not OEM branding, not middlemen, not repackaging, but full in-house control from design to final inspection. Beilite, built for the toughest conditions on Earth. Beilite.